Collection types store and manage groups of related objects. Every collection can be enumerated to access each element in order. Some collections allow access by index, which represents an element's position in an ordered collection. Each collection has different performance profiles for operations like adding, searching, or removing elements. Choosing the right collection depends on performance requirements. Indexable collections allow element access using an index. The index represents the number of elements before it in the sequence. Therefore, the element referenced by index 0 is the first element. Key-value pair collections allow accessing elements using a unique key assigned to each element.